Okay, so I was trying to just do some screenshots of some of the discrepancies and things that we have encountered um, for you guys, because at the last phone call you had mentioned that it would be more helpful if you could see some specifics. But this one is one of them, and there's probably going to be some others that are just a little too hard to explain through screenshots, and it's just easier to log in and make a little video to show you. So on this screen right here, I'm logged in as April Molnick. And so if I go to the Data tab and go to Class Mastery by Standard, I will see that her students have taken tests here. Standard 7, it shows there were 17 points. So then when I click on that, I see that that is for NBT A7. Remember that because that's going to be important. So if I click on the student to see when that was tested, I look here and I see that was tested on 10/30/2018, so not too long ago, just about a week ago. So then and the reason that we know this is because we had to dig deep to find data sometimes and to be able to put things on report cards. So then if I go to classes at the top, in the past the data between classes data and within the assignments and the data tab all matched up, and it doesn't anymore. So if I go to assignments and I go to this test, topic 5 test 1030, and I click on view student status, and then I click on, we can just pick the first student or any of the students, and I click review, you would expect to see the same standards here that were on the test. But if you notice, for NBTA 7 that it said was tested on 1030 is not listed here, either under successfully completed or needs more practice. And what I think is, I think these are Common Core standards, and the ones under the Data tab are the Missouri Learning Standards. So that's kind of thrown us as we started to, well, when we were working on report cards. We had to go in a lot of times by the student and actually look to see what they had mastered and what they hadn't. But then we would find that things were not listed. They didn't match up. So I think that is probably, like I said, I think this tab has the Common Core standards, and then the other tab has the Missouri Learning Standards. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, of course, you can email me and I can try to explain it a little better.